Assalamualaikum friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what is online business, what is the type of online business, how to online businesses work, how to earn money online from online business, what are the major type of online business in Pakistan, what is the major type of online business in the overall world. Before starting this video in detail, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video updates. Let's start our video. What is online business? Online business or e-commerce is any kind of a business or e-commerce transaction that including sharing information across the internet. The e-commerce consists of exchange product service between the business group and individual and can you see as one of the essential activity of any business. This is the definition of online business. Next, what are the type of online business? There are different type of online business, including the major type is become a virtual assistant, first type. Second type is try your hand at the beginning as influencer. Third type is now build app or website. Fourth, launch a broadcast. Fifth type is sign up for affiliate marketing. Next type is create a special inbox, develop a niche product, create a handmade goods. These are the major type of online business. Next, how to make money online from in online business. First is to be patient. There are many affiliate marketing workers. Second is choose more attractive product. Third is use the server traffic source like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. These are attract the target audience from different social media platforms. Test and measurement in track. Use the Google Analytics. Search develop product demand. Follow the new method and new technique. And select the right for advertisement method. These are the methods that we can make money from online business. Next, how to start online business. First, you to determine a niche and a business idea. Contact the product and research. Learn about online business and law in detail. Contact the marketing and researches. Define your target audience. Source of product to sell, calculate the product visibility, define your brand and images. The best online business idea for Pakistan. Sell home, cook for food online. The idea to sell home food, cook fresh food to online office, employ or factory workers. Sell the children class online, fitness consulting, transcription service, courier service, cooking personal chef, technical writing, small marketing business. These are the best business plans for Pakistan. Next, best online business idea in the world. First is dropshipping business. Next is advertiser. Third is SEO expert. Second, fourth is selling online course, bug testing, video producer, graphic designing, and the last one is web designing. These are the best idea for online business. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any doubt, please comment us.